Привет! Как дела? A lot of people believe that Russians are strict people, that Russians never smile, and they always walk around with poker face, like this. But this is not really true. We do smile, we can do that. But we don't smile to strangers. That's why if you would like to make Russian person smile, you have to get acquainted to him or her. Here are some basic phrases that may help you to get acquainted with Russians. Let's start with this phrase. Давайте познакомимся. Давайте познакомимся. And let's try faster. Давайте познакомимся. Давайте познакомимся.
Давайте познакомимся.
This phrase means let's get acquainted. The next phrase, very similar one, sounds like this. Я хочу с вами познакомиться. Я хочу с вами познакомиться. And let's try one more time. Я хочу с вами познакомиться. And let's try faster. Я хочу с вами познакомиться. Я хочу с вами познакомиться. This phrase means I want to get acquainted with you. And I want to pay your attention that this phrase and the one we had before are formal constructions. The next two phrases will help you to find out person's name. These phrases sound like this. Как вас зовут? Как вас зовут? And let's try one more time. Как вас зовут? And let's try faster. Как вас зовут? Как вас зовут?
А как вас зовут? Марина.
This phrase means what's your name? And the next one also means what's your name, your first name. Как ваше имя? Как ваше имя? Let's try faster. Как ваше имя? Как ваше имя?
Как ваше имя?
And here are some ways you can respond these phrases. If you use phrase what's your name? Как вас зовут? You can respond this question using this phrase. Меня зовут. My name is. Меня зовут. And let's try faster. Меня зовут. Меня зовут.
Меня зовут Соня.
If you use construction как ваше имя, you can respond this question using the following phrase. Мое имя, my name is. Мое имя. And let's try faster. Мое имя. Мое имя.
Мое имя Дакар.
Here I also want to pay your attention that phrases как вас зовут and как ваше имя are formal constructions. Now, when you tell your name and the person told you your name, you have to say nice to meet you. In Russian it sounds like this. Очень приятно. Очень приятно. Let's try one more time. Очень приятно. And faster. Очень приятно. Очень приятно.
Очень приятно.
Очень приятно.
This phrase means nice to meet you. And there is one more phrase that means nice to meet you. It sounds like this. Рад познакомиться. Рад познакомиться. And let's try faster. Рад познакомиться. Рад познакомиться. And faster. Рад познакомиться. Рад познакомиться.
Рад познакомиться.
Men can use this construction when they want to say nice to meet you. And if you are a woman and you would like to say nice to meet you using this construction, you have to say рада познакомиться. Рада познакомиться. Let's try faster. Рада познакомиться. Рада познакомиться. And faster. Рада познакомиться. Рада познакомиться. I hope these phrases will help you to get acquainted to Russians and you will see a lot of smiles on Russians' face. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching it. Спасибо. Don't forget to like it and subscribe our channel. And пока. Пока-пока.